สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Anjali. Welcome to Thai Foodcast. Today we're gonna make green curry with chicken. In Thai it's called แกงเขียวหวานไก่ Green curry is another common dish in Thailand. I remember when I was a kid, my mom asked me to make the curry paste, and she told me if I can't pound the chili or curry paste fine enough, I'm not ready to get married. Well, guess what? Now I just buy the curry paste. We should go back and talk about how to cook the green curry. These are the ingredients that you need to make green curry chicken. 1/3 cup of green curry paste. Green curry paste is a combination of green chilies, lemongrass, garlic, and other spices. You will need to go to Asian food store to get this. The brand that I use called Mae Ploy, but there are other brands too. 1 can of coconut milk, 2 chicken breasts, half of red bell pepper, half of green bell pepper, 1 carrot, half an onion, half cup of eggplant, half cup of bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot, they are baby bamboo. They taste a little sour, but they're very tender. 2 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, half cup of fresh basil. First, start your rice. Dice the onion. Chop the carrot into small pieces. Chop the peppers. Chop eggplant into 1/4-inch slices. We usually use a little different eggplants in Thailand. It actually looks like an egg. The one that you buy in America are big and purple, but you can use that too. Cut chicken into 1/4-inch slices. Cut bamboo shoot into 1-inch strips. Now it's time to cook. All we do is put everything together in the pot. First, we're gonna add half can of coconut milk into the pot and turn on the stove to the medium heat. When the coconut milk starts to boil, add the green curry paste. And stir it together for about 2 minutes. Add 2 cups of water. And turn the burner to the high heat. When it boils, add the chicken and let it simmer until the chicken is cooked. When the chicken is cooked, add all the vegetables except the basil. And bring to a boil. When everything is cooked, add the rest of the coconut milk. Add sugar and salt and stir together for about 2 minutes. Finally, add the fresh basil and then you're done. Well, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of time or effort to make a good tasting Thai food. Thank you for watching Thai Foodcast. สวัสดีค่ะ If you want more information about this or other easy Thai food recipe, go to my website at thaifoodcast.com.